Good morning to all of you, my dear students. Today we will discuss about Jamshedpur. There is Tata Steel Company Limited, TISCO that we call. So basically, it was privately owned, and after independence, the government took the initiative and set up several iron steel plants. TISCO was started in 1907, which is in the Britishers' rule at Sakchi near the confluence of the rivers Subarnarekha and Kharkai in Jharkhand. Later of Sakchi was renamed as Jamshedpur. So basically, where the water is available, they are uh, important that every or any industries has been built. So this is the Jamshedpur, and after this is Disco, as you know, that there are many. This place was only 32 kilometers away from Kalimati station on the Bengal Nagpur railway line, or it was close to the iron ore. So, as I told you, that there is important part like iron ore, coal, and manganese deposit, as well as Kolkata. So basically, these Tisco has been built in that area where the raw material is available, not far or near, as you know that. And cement. Second thing, in Jamshedpur, several other industries plants were set up after Tisco. So basically, they produce chemical, locomotive parts, agriculture equipment, okay, machinery, template, cable, and wire. So basically, this is the कि industries कहाँ built होती हैं, where the raw material and the things which is important for affecting the location of industries. So basically, that will be advantage for the industry, and it is helpful as well as. So the development of the iron and steel industry opened the door to rapid industrial development. So it is about that the iron and steel industry is a backbone of the industry. सारी चीज़ें इसी चीज़ से बनती हैं. Okay. Okay, so now we will discuss about Pittsburgh. So the Pittsburgh, it is an important steel city of the United States of America. So there is Pittsburgh, and the steel industry at Pittsburgh enjoy locational advantages. Some of the raw materials such as coal is available locally, while the iron ore comes from iron mines at Minnesota. तो कहाँ से आता है वो? मिनीसोटा से आता है, अबाउट 1500 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम पीट्सबर्ग. अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, द डिस्टेंस इज 1500 किलोमीटर. So it is very very far where the raw materials has been found. And second thing, between these mines and Pittsburgh is one of the world's best route of the shipping ore cheaply. The famous Great Lakes waterways. So basically वहाँ पर waterways है, then it is not very far. So trains carry the ore from the Great Lakes to Pittsburgh area. So this is the Pittsburgh story. And today very few of the large steel mills are in the Pittsburgh itself. They are located in the village of the Monongahela and um, Allegheny rivers above Pittsburgh. So basically, this is Ohio river below it, and finished steel is transported to the market on the land routes. Okay, so basically, वहाँ पर very far distance, but there is a safe route, and there is a key speedy route. Quickly raw material has been reached in the location of the industry. So that's why the Pittsburgh is famous. And cotton textile industry, so cotton textile industry is weaving clothes, yarn, and this is Asian art, and cotton, wool, silk, jute, flax have been used on making clothes. So basically, the textile industries can be divided on the basis of raw materials. As you know that it is important the raw materials of fiber for a textile industry. अगर फाइबर नहीं होगा, so then there are many raw materials for the textile industry. So basically, these are the important basis of the basics of the textile industry. So basically, the textile industry has been built in that areas where the these cotton and other fibers has been found very cheaply and very quickly. So basically, top today India, China, Japan, and the USA are important producers of cotton textile. So that is that is an important part of the industry, that when you will start an industry or start a business, so then you will see okay, it is raw material is regularly find you have in that particular area. If there is no key goods are not available in a cheap rate or in a near, so basically you will not start at that place or particular area starting the industry. So this is key affecting the industries. So as you know, the Muslim of Dhaka, change of Muslim change के बारे में we will talk about iron smelting chapter in history, and calicos of Calcutta, and gold wrought cotton of Burhanpur. So basically these are the important Surat, Vadodara, and these are the very key cities where these clothes were designed and made quickly. So hence traditionally cotton textile industry could not face the competition from the new textile mills of the West, because this is the now the modern world is chemical they are using, and fulfill of human being and cheaply rate basically. So this is but not more quality on the clothes of West, but people are find the cheap clothes for using on a daily life. And the first successful mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai 1854. We will discuss in a history chapter as well as. And the warm, moist climate, afford of important machinery, availability of raw materials. So these are the skill level and other rapid expansion of industries in the region. So basically, this is Mumbai में established हुई थी 1854 में, and initially this industry flourished in the state of Maharashtra, Gujarat, and favorable humid climate. So basically, today humidity can be created artificially, and raw cotton is pure and not wet, losing raw materials. So basically, these are the important terms of, and climate is important for these raw material. But basically, अब क्या है कि it is created by artificially humidity create कर लेते हैं, but natural humidity is कि more good for good rather than artificially created humidity. After Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad is a very, it is Gujarat. That the Gujarat is famous for business, and it is located in Gujarat and the banks of Sabarmati River. So first mill to establish with it there is 1859, and the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. So Ahmedabad, it is Manchester of India, that we referred as Manchester of India, and favorable location factors are responsible for development of textile industry, like ki raw material, and the ki ensure easy availability of raw material, spinning and weaving, and other skilled labor. So basically, these are the important factors for key to set up a textile industry. Okay, but in the recent years, Ahmedabad textile mills have been having some problems. Several textile mills have closed down, and this is primarily due to emergence of new textile centers and country, as well as non upgradation of mechanics. So basically, if you are not updated to yourself, so you are outdated. So this is the key has been happen in Ahmedabad. So basically the application of mechanics is important. Osaka, it is important if you know key center of Japan. Textile industry है जो जापान की है, and also known as the Manchester of Japan. So textile industry developed in Osaka due to several geographical factors that you can see कि Osaka means short land was easily available, and the growth of cotton mills, warm humid climate is very good, and give what the cotton want for the a good climate. So there is all features in this in the Japan, and the river Yodo provides sufficient water for the mills, and labor is easily available. Skilled labor is there. Cotton is important for Egypt, China, and USA. So this is the key uh, well set up for industry. Okay, so this is Osaka. Okay, so after next video uh, we will do some exercise. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. So तब तक के लिए have a good day. Goodbye. Please read the chapters thoroughly. If you have any problem regarding these chapters, you can ask me questions and text me. Okay, so goodbye. Have a good day to all of you.